Hello, it is Carly from cookingwithcarly.com, and today we have another Crumbl taste test video, and I am super excited about one of these flavors in here, and I'll tell you more about that in a bit. But before we get started, I just want to remind you to comment below, let me know if you want me to recreate any of these flavors, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or follow on Instagram wherever you're watching, and stick around to the end of the video and I'll let you know which video and new recipe will be published tomorrow morning. So let's get to our unboxing and our taste test. So first off, we have just a funfetti cookie. So it is a funfetti vanilla sugar cookie with sprinkles inside and on the top. Seems pretty basic. There's no frosting or anything on there. And then we have the pumpkin cake cookie. Oh, that is very soft. It's very warm. It's nice and fluffy. Cream cheese frosting on top and a few chocolate chips. This is the double fudge brownie cookie. So there are actual like brownie pieces baked into this chocolate cookie and then drizzled with a chocolate glaze. And then this is the cookie that I'm excited about. This is the Aggie Blue Mint cookie. So it is a chilled cookies and cream cookie. There's white chocolate chips in there, and then it is a mint buttercream frosting on top. And so let me give you a little background here. So Crumbl was founded in a college town in Utah. It's the college town of Utah State University, and Utah State, I happen to have gone there. And they have an ice cream shop. It's part of their agricultural and applied science program where they create ice cream, and it is so good. And one of their like famous flavors is Aggie Blue Mint, and it is just a mint ice cream. Like it's similar to mint chocolate chip, but it's not as strong of a mint flavor. And instead of chocolate chips, there are pieces of like chocolate cookies like Oreo in it. So that's what this frosting is inspired by, is that ice cream. So I'm really excited about this. It is served chilled, so I'm excited to see if it really does taste like their ice cream. Okay, so for the taste test, let's just go in the same order here. We'll do our break of the cookie. Oh, you can't even see it. Nice and thick. Tastes like a smells like a sugar cookie. Pleasantly surprised, actually. I thought it was going to be bland, but that's a great like vanilla basic flavor. If you're not a fan of icing and frosting, you would love this cookie. It's just like a basic sugar cookie, but it has great texture, great flavor, and I really like that it's warm. And then the pumpkin cake one, I've heard that this one is very fluffy, like a muffin. I'm definitely getting that vibe here, breaking that in half. I'm interested to see the flavor, if it's like super spicy like the pumpkin caramel one, or if it's not like the pumpkin chocolate chip. Not as spicy, like allspice type spicy. Not as spicy as the caramel pumpkin, spicier than the pumpkin chocolate chip, but I really like the cream cheese frosting on it. It's definitely has a stronger cream cheese flavor than most of their other cream cheese frostings that go like on top of like the Oreo cookie, or like the pink velvet from last week had a vanilla cream cheese frosting on it. It definitely has a stronger cream cheese flavor, which I think pairs really well with the pumpkin. Okay, the brownie, double fudge brownie. I was interested to see, or not interested, surprised to see that they had another brownie one on there, because just 2 weeks ago they had the brownie batter. So we'll see how this compares. Ooh, this is nice and soft. Nice and soft right there. I can taste the difference with the brownie pieces. It's a good chocolate flavor. The brownie pieces are interesting because I like to think of brownies as like really fudgy and like chewy, right? But because the brownie pieces were probably already baked and then they were put onto the cookie and then baked, they're kind of hard, like they're not soft. And so they're kind of crunchy, which is a little odd to me. But I mean, decent chocolate cookie. Definitely not my favorite of their chocolate cookies. But I mean, I'm not gonna waste this for sure. All right, last but not least, Aggie Blue Mint. This one is chilled, like I said. It's got the white chocolate chips. It smells like it. With big pieces of Oreo in the cookie. Let's see here. It tastes just like the ice cream. I'm a fan. If you like the mint cookies from like Girl Scouts, you would enjoy this. It's definitely not like an overpowering mint flavor. It's definitely minty. I love the Oreos in it. And I'm thinking that this is like their original base. So like their milk chocolate chip cookie, but instead of the milk chocolate chips being in there, got Oreo pieces and white chocolate chips. Yeah, I like this. This is probably in my top cookies, but I mean, it just tastes like nostalgia or something. I don't know. I like it. Let me know if you've tried these cookies and which ones your favorites were. If you liked the Aggie Blue Mint, or if you didn't. If you didn't, it's fine. I won't be offended. But there's our taste test for today, and you're welcome for the history lesson about Aggie Blue Mint. And also, fun fact, I was going to mention, but I forgot, that the students actually, for like part of their classes, work at Aggie Ice Cream and make the ice cream. So that's pretty cool. So if you ever happen to be in Northern Utah, go get yourself some Aggie ice cream. And last, before I sign out here, the video and recipe going live tomorrow is the molten lava. And it is so good, like so good. So stay tuned for that tomorrow and stay warm because it's supposed to snow here tomorrow. It's fine. It's fine. I will stay warm. You stay warm. Bake cookies and have a great week.